All right, guys, so update on the boot loop stuck stereo. And yes, we're driving because we just left Toyota dealership. So I've stopped at two Toyota dealerships. The first one says that they don't know if they can fix it or not, but they see constant problems with these things. It says for $125, they can hook it up to diagnose it, but he doesn't know that they can do anything other than replace it, which, we don't want to know what an OEM stereo from Toyota costs. And he kind of hinted, now more so than hinted, he says just go visit a stereo store, get an aftermarket, something for less money. So I stopped at Toyota dealership number 2, showed him what's going on, and he says, yeah, it's not even worth paying to hook it up. We can't update it no matter what if it doesn't get into the update screen. So if the deck doesn't boot up, even with their system, they can't get in their deep scan or whatever because they can't update it. So long story short, it's still here updating. No one can fix it. And the two Toyota places I went to, the dealerships, both seem to say, forget about it. So on the bright side, through all my research today, one of you guys, one of the subscribers actually reached out, has a unit they took out of their 18 or 19 off-road premium, which is the black bezel, a little bit updated. It's got navigation and whatnot, which I don't need, but offered to sell it for a very, 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 very fair price. So I got it ordered. It's shipped out. I should see it next week. So for right now, I'm just going to swap out to another OEM unit, and then kind of keep an eye out for maybe a T10 or there's another one, a Desada or something to that effect. Right now it's just finding one in stock is the difficult part. So anyways, that is the update for now. So we're just going to rock no stereo for another week, and we'll go from there.